Today I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your car with another car, and this is the way that works for me. I know there are so many videos there they're going to tell you how to jumpstart a car battery. Never jumpstart your car like this. Jumpstart using the drill battery, or don't just jumpstart your car with the donor car doing this. This is the way that worked for me, and if it's gonna work for you, well and good. All you need is a car with a good battery and then your dead car. Identify the negative terminal and positive terminal. The positive terminal is identified by red, the color red. Negative terminal is identified by black. And that's how you're gonna connect your jumpstart cable. Red goes to the red, and then the black, always connect the black last, and it goes to the negative terminal just like that. And now the juice is coming from the good battery, traveling through the cables and coming right to the recipient, which is the dead battery. It's getting charged right there. See, now just need to turn off this vehicle, the one with a good battery, after a few minutes, and now come here to the good battery, to the car that is dead, and start it. Simple as that. Once the vehicle starts, disconnect the negative first, then disconnect the positive. Make sure the two terminals are not touching each other. Same thing here, disconnect the negative, then disconnect the positive. As simple as that. There is no danger behind this. You see, I didn't kill myself, and the two vehicles are running. That's how you jumpstart a car with another car. My name is Jeff Carbuoy. Subscribe and stay